one more absolutely insane product that every single RVer needs, and it only costs a few bucks. Stand by. Hey there, how are you? Dr. Dave back. I'm the RV dummy, and I did a video, it was like a day or two ago. It was called something like 2 insane products that every RVer needs. It's gotten a lot of attention so far, so if you missed that video, check it out. But I've got one more product I want to share with you, and it's only a few bucks, and it's something that I never even thought about, but I'll tell you how this came about. I was walking around the local Lowe's, kind of like it's a Home Depot hardware type store, home improvement type store, yesterday here in Salt Lake City to get a few things that I needed. And I just came across this item in one of the aisles. I didn't even go in for this reason, but you can hear some thunderstorms outside there. It's thundering right now and lightning in Salt Lake City, but just ignore that because this is more important. But I saw this product. I'm thinking, like, it's only a few bucks. I'm going to try it. This could be like the answer to all my problems. And here it is. Are you ready for this? Do you know what this is? It's just a piece of plastic. It's a piece of flexible. I'm not editing, so I'm going right on through. If I make a mistake, I make a mistake. I'm only human. So it's flexible plastic. It's got these barbs on it. So what you do, this is for unclogging drains in a sink, or I think you could use it in a toilet or a bathtub. But I got this for the RV because, again, if something gets down into the piping and, like, I don't know, whatever it would be, food, hair, whatever, and clogs it up, I don't want to use any kind of harsh chemicals that could totally ruin the whole system. So I bought this at Lowe's, brought it home, and as it turned out, I didn't really use it in the RV yet. You can see, like, oh, there it is, right back there, my sink. I didn't use it in the RV, but in one of our bathrooms in our house, we had a sink that was actually clogged, and the water was just how it just goes down real slow, and it was a pain. We never really did much about it. So I just went ahead and inserted this down, jiggled it around a little bit, pulled it out, and caught to these barbs was all kinds of, I don't even want to tell you, like, junk, hair, stuff. And literally within 2 minutes, and very little, I'm not the most talented handyman in the world. In 2 minutes, my sink is draining perfectly. I didn't have to spend $100 to have a plumber come out. I didn't have to pour any kind of harsh chemicals into the sink. 2 minutes later, this device, this ingenious device. Now, maybe you've seen this before. Maybe you have one. I've never seen this or heard of it. But again, you can pick it up, and I'm sure at like a local Lowe's or Home Depot. What I'm going to do is, I did find it on Amazon too, and they sell it like with a set of like 2 or 3 or 4 of them together or something. Maybe they're different sizes, I'm not sure. So if you don't want to take a drive out to Lowe's or Home Depot and have to look through every aisle, I'll give you a simple link on Amazon to find it. And I think you'll be happy with it. As a matter of fact, maybe it's better to have more than one, because you keep one in the RV, you keep one in the bathroom at home, and you are good to go. It's going to be the answer to every single problem in your life. Well, maybe not every single problem, but let's say some problems this will solve your problems. So that's all I have to say today. Make it really short. Glad you're with me. Got some great ideas coming up in the near future, so please stick with me. You know why? Because I am Dr. Dave, the RV dummy. See you later.